Welcome back to the Shady Spot. What if a family-ready 4x4 suddenly felt built for real exploration instead of light weekend use? Stick around, because what this new machine pulls off outside smooth pavement might genuinely catch you off guard. At first sight, the 2026 Sandman looks like it was shaped for toughness and comfort at the same time. The face carries sharp lighting elements, a wide illuminated band across the grille, and proportions that lean into a futuristic style without looking exaggerated. Along the profile, defined edges, sliding doors, and dark 18-19-inch wheels create a confident stance on both crowded streets and rough tracks. The rear continues this theme with modern light blades, a broad tailgate, and a color combination that makes the green paint and black trim stand out across city highways or steep foothills. Once you step inside, the tone shifts toward calm and tech-forward practicality. A wide glass roof expands the cabin's sense of space, while a stretched dashboard and ambient lighting make long drives feel more relaxed. A large central screen above 12 inches and a fully digital gauge setup give the driver clean visuals for every key function. But this model isn't only about visual appeal. Its mechanical setup is surprisingly versatile. The entry variant uses a 1.6-litre petrol engine, but most attention goes toward the hybrid and 2.0-litre diesel choices. The hybrid setup keeps daily driving efficient, especially in stop-and-go traffic, while the diesel maintains strong endurance for longer routes. Power spans roughly 150 to 200 horsepower, with torque reaching up to 400 Newton-meters, allowing the vehicle to handle steep climbs and loaded trips with confidence. A major highlight is its all-wheel drive capability. The 4x4 system helps the Sandman settle into gravel paths, icy roads, and mountain tracks without hesitation. Drivers can choose a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic, depending on preferred control or convenience. Pricing is expected to land between $25,000 and $32,000 in Europe, scheduled for late 2026 or early 2027. With its mix of durability, space, and accessible cost, it targets competitors like the Multivan, Tornado Custom, and Espace. Yet the Sandman's biggest strengths remain its straightforward engineering, family-friendly practicality, and genuine off-road readiness. If you enjoyed this breakdown, tap like and subscribe to the channel The Shady Spot.